We are here in Hapaknai. Hapaknai,
Yes.
Hapaknai. Many bus 33 from Yunlong. So, dito tayo, di ba? Dito. Diyan ang daan.
Parang dito. Kasi dito, tingnan mo.
Hello, Mira.
Hello, ate.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, Mary. Kasama ko today is si Mary at si Mira.
Yes, Mary and Mira.
Oh,
Yeah.
where? Aywa. But no fruit. There's a farm here. Okay, continue.
Left, right. Right, left.
Right. Ito yung pwedeng sa loob ng bahay.
Asan?
Yung halaman
Ang
na yan.
dami namin ito sa bahay.
Longgan. Where are you? Oh, may longgan, oh. Ganda ng sky, blue na blue. Yeah. Ay, may sasakyan din doon. Ganda. Sis picture. Hi, doggy. Ay, pati yung aso nakatingin. Hi. Hello, doggy. Hi. Hi. This is the Inchoy vegetable. Wow.
Ate.
Hi. I am the... Right lang. Okay. This farm. Let's go. Ito na pala yung green. Yung green pa yung tulay dito sa video eh. Red na ngayon. Look. Red. Hindi pa dito. Red. Bridge. Look at that view. Nice. Parang concrete yung dadaanan natin pababa na tulay. Concrete yun. Very nice. Oh, sa concrete tulay na bridge yun. May daan dyan. Dito tayo sa left. Green and blue. Beautiful. Yeah, I've changed my shoes.
I forgot to put some.
Hi sis, come. Take a picture.
And then pass.
Go down there. Dito na, pwede naman na siguro bumaba dyan. Oo, pwede na.
Tayo. Prepare muna sa...
Baba na tayo dito. Meron dyang bahay. From here, mukhang malalim siya. So, we go that way to go down over there.
Maybe we have to give the bread. If you go to Hoi Ha, play the kayak, so many Nemo. You guys go to Hoi Ha?
Not yet.
Go there. Play the kayak.
Yeah, I want to. 2 hour paakyat.